everyone. Welcome back to the channel Unlock Concepts, where every concepts become simple. In today's video, we're going to discuss the class 10 mathematics chapter wise topics along with their difficulty levels. This will help you to understand which chapters are easy and which ones need medium effort and which ones requires heavy effort. So the first one which we'll be doing is like we'll be checking topic wise and now we will be rating chapters easy, medium, hard. So the first one which we'll be seeing is the real numbers, the chapter 1. So this comes under easy topic. So first topic which we'll be having is Euclid's division lemma, and then we'll be having fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and then we'll be having revisiting irrational numbers, and we'll be having some terminating and non-terminating decimals kind of thing, and some problems on that one which we can solve them easily. And the second one is polynomials, and this comes under easy to medium level. So why I said easy to medium is like the concepts are easy, but the chapter is a quite bit lengthy. So you'll be having zeros of a polynomial topic in this one, and you'll be having relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, and we'll be having some division algorithm kind of thing. So the third one is pair of linear equations into variables. So this comes under, we can tell you, a medium level. Why so this is a medium level is like you have a graphical method to find a solution, which is the easy topic in this one, and then you will be having some algebraic methods. One is substitution, one is elimination, and the third one will be cross multiplication. And you'll be having some word problems or application based questions on these, which make this concept a little bit of medium difficulty. So now we'll be having the quadratic equation concept, and this one is also a medium concept because this is the topic which you're learning for the first time in 10th class. So you do not learn in this one in your previous classes. So the concepts include like we'll be having the basics of quadratic equations, and we'll be finding solutions of quadratic equations by factorization and by formula method and by completing the square method. So these both will be using in the examinations, and we have the nature of roots. By using a simple formula we can find out them, and then we will be having some application based questions based on these quadratic equations. And now we have this arithmetic progression. So this is one of the easy topic in your mathematics of class 10. So just you will be having some two formulas. One is nth term formula, one is sum of first n terms formula, and your chapter is done. And simply you will be having some application based questions of word problems kind of thing, which we'll be seeing in later on videos. And then 6, we have triangles. So I can rate this as medium 1. Why, sir, I rated it as medium 1 is like this includes some geometric kind of thing. You'll be having some roofs kind of thing. You'll be having some similarity triangles, roofs like AAA, SAS, SSS, and we'll be having some areas of similar triangles, that roof kind of thing, and we'll be having Pythagoras theorem and everything. So this one will be having medium. But what is the advantage of geometric topics is like in your examination, you will be having questions which are given directly from the exercise questions present in your chapter. If you take some other like algebra, if you take some probability statistics one, you might get some different example which is not there in textbook for examination. But when it comes to the geometry part, you will be get only exercise problems. So that is the main advantage of this one. The seventh one is the coordinate geometry. So I can tell you this is easy to medium concept. So you'll be having some distance formula, and you will be having some section and midpoint formula, which is an easy, and you'll be having some area of a triangle formula. And then at number 8, you will be having introduction to trigonometry. So this one comes under medium to difficult or hard. I can tell you hard. Why, sir, this is medium to hard? You have these both trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So this will be a medium concepts because you'll be learning it newly, and you'll be using this. You'll be learning about this more in your plus one and plus two thing. And trigonometric identities, this is a hard one because you have many applications or many questions based on trigonometric identities, and most of the people who appear to the examination and did not get 80 out of 80, the main reason is only of this one concept. And definitely we'll be making that easier, and we'll be unlocking those concepts in our chap YouTube channel. So the number 9 is some applications of trigonometry. So I can tell you this is also a easy to medium concept. Okay. So heights and distances is a application one which you will be also using in your aptitude questions and everything. If you understand this eighth concept well, then you'll be having this as easier one. Else you will be feeling some medium level thing. So next you will be having circles. Circles, I can tell you it is easy to medium level. Okay, so you will be having some introduction of some geometry kind of thing regarding the circles, and then you will be having tangent to a circles and number of tangents, a simple basic things which you will be getting only from your textbook to your examination. And then at 11 we have some areas related to circles, and this one also I can tell you it is easy to medium level because you will be like having some combination kind of problems in this chapter, like related to some other concepts and everything. So you'll be having some perimeter area kind of thing, sector segments and everything, and some combination kind of problems. And then at number 12 we have surface areas and volumes, and I can tell you this is a medium level thing because you need to learn all the formulas related to surface area, whether it is TSA, total surface area, or LSA, and then you'll be having some volumes of some sphere, cone, cylinder, cube, and everything. And then the main a medium concept is like you'll be having some combination questions even in this one, like mixing of two shapes and asking you to find the volume and everything. So next you have statistics one. Statistics, I can tell you it is a easy to medium one because simple you will be having mean, median, mode. Just three formulas you will be having, and then sometimes you will be asking for graphical representation purpose, and that's it. In that, the easiest chapter comes the 14, the last but not the least. This is easy one, probability, only one formula, and that's it. And then some the other concepts will be used in this probability to find that favorable outcomes and everything. So next we'll be having some appendix proofs in maths and mathematical modeling, which will be not that much of focusing on that one. And so this is the main thing. So the easy topics will be the real numbers, the easier one, and arithmetic progression, the easier one, and probability, the easy one. So this, if you learned these well, I can tell you can easily gain marks with less amount of time. And then we have some hard topics like uh, trigonometry one. We have triangles one, and some extent we can tell even the surface areas and volumes, and up to some extent even the quadratic equations also. So if you focus, you need your focus need to be somewhat higher in these levels so that you can gain some good marks. You can gain some 80 out of 80 marks in your end semester examinations, board examinations. So my advice will be like, first finish the easiest chapters to secure quick marks in less time. Then move on to medium ones. Then use your remaining complete time to excel in your hard ones. So this is how the mathematics chapter syllabus works and everything. And that's all for today's video. I hope this breakdown helps you to plan your preparation well. Don't forget to share the channel and like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends for more simple explanations. And I can promise you that I'll be bringing a video every week regarding the any concept which is hard, and I would be teaching every chapter in my channel. So that please stay tuned to this one. Thank you, and see you in the next video.